Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can use a Fedora Linux machine as an Apache web server. I'm on the Fedora Linux machine here. The first thing I'm going to do on the terminal is I'm going to check the version of Fedora Linux that we have installed. We'll use this command cat etc OS release. I'm going to grab these two versions. So we're running version 42. So let's go ahead and look at the commands to install Apache web server. So we'll begin by the command to update the packages. You can do sudo dnf update -y. Now this command could take a while, so I'm not going to run it. Let's move on to the next command. So this is the command that's going to actually install Apache. We'll add here install, then httpd, then -y. Okay, so it's already installed on this machine. Next, we'll check the status of the web server. We'll use sudo, or we can just say systemctl status httpd. Now in my case, it's active and running and it's enabled. Usually the first time you install it, you have to enable it, and then you might have to start the services. Now by enabling it, you just want to make sure that it's going to start every time your system reboots or restarts. Let's look at the commands for starting the services and enabling the services. So it's going to be the same command. We'll say systemctl start httpd. That starts the services. To enable the services, just change this to enable. So once you have those commands run, you can go ahead and verify that the server is being installed. Just open a browser on your local machine and then go to localhost. And you should see the welcome page. Now mine is already edited. I edited the default page with this text. Let's go ahead and see how you can do that. Now in order for you to change the default page, you have to go to the HTML directory that's located under var www. So if I change to this directory right here, HTML, and do ls, you'll see that I have this file here, and if you look at the contents, cat index, this is what I edited inside this file. Now this file wasn't there by default. You have to create the file in this directory, and then inside the file you can put the text, the HTML text you want. So if you want the web server to be accessible by other devices and not just your local device, you'll need to open the ports on the firewall. So let's look at the commands for configuring the firewall to open the ports for the web server. The first command is sudo firewall, then cmd add, and then service here, service equals http, then -- permanent, enter. Now I already added this one, that's why I got this warning here. The first time you do it, you're not gonna get that warning. And then you also need to add for HTTPS port 443. Then you need to reload the firewall here, so change this to reload. And now once you have all that done, then you should be able to access your web server from another device. Now for instance, I have a different device here. Let me verify the IP on this device. I can do IP address. So the IP is 172.16.1.100. I can just do a ping to it, so it's reachable. Then I can open a browser from that other device. Okay, so this is the browser, and I can try and access that page, web page, using the IP. And there you are. Now if you don't have the firewall configured, if you don't have the ports open on the firewall, you'll get an error message when you try to access it. So just make sure that the firewall is already configured. So that's all for this video. That's how you can use your Fedora Linux machine as an Apache web server. I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.